Good morning.
Okay. Good morning. Who's that?
Mario Lamarck.
It sounds like you may be calling in on a phone, sir.
Oh, shucks. I don't know.
Yeah, you are 313 307 1226.
Yes.
And what's your name? Lamarck?
Yes.
And what's the first name?
Mario.
Okay. You checked in.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm just checking you got me with Mr. Izaguirre.
Yeah, good morning. I don't think you heard me earlier when I mentioned.
I apologize. Thank you.
They keep coming in.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hello?
All right. Good morning. What's your name, ma'am?
Tawana Lee.
Tawana Lee?
Yes.
Morning, Judge. House Counsel, this is Lewis in the courtroom. I'm trying to get these, I faxed it over twice. It don't seem to be going through. Recommendations and the docket. I'm trying again. So just to let you know.
You have my correct email address, Mr. Rattler?
Well, let me get just to make sure.
Excuse me, can you hear me? Excuse me, can you hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I'm here. I hear you.
Yeah, I hear you. What's your name, sir?
My name is Billy Zaldana.
Yeah, I got you already checked in, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Good morning to you. All right, who's on the phone at 248 632 9084? Who is that?
It's Ronald Lewis.
All right, Mr. Lewis, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is that LEWIS?
WIS.
All right, I have you checked in. Who's on the iPhone 3?
Me.
I don't know. Let's see if you speak again, ma'am. No, you're Osterman?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
Not a problem, ma'am. I have you checked in. And is that Lucretia?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Carlos Amelia?
No, she's here for court.
Yes. I have you checked in. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
I'll bring you right, okay?
Give her a match.
Yes.
Reginald Glasgow.
I'm here.
All right. Good morning to you. Ms. Mateo, good morning.
Good morning.
I have you checked in. Gurley, I have you checked in. Perez, I have you checked in. I'm gonna put Nico Owens up here. He was in here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you up. You were up into one of the top of the list. I think that is everyone. Okay. No, I got
We have
Giselle.
one, Marisol Garcia Gunduno.
You got one more. Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name, ma'am? Greer?
Shayla. Yes.
Okay.
And I'm going to be needing an updated docket for today.
Yeah, we're working on that now.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm sorry. Carlos Salamilla, his real last name is Salamilla, and in the court letter it says Escalona. The officer wrote the wrong last name.
We'll figure that out, ma'am. Okay, who's on the iPhone 3? All right, let's get going. Well, we have to wait on the docket.
It just popped up on my, on the computer now. So I'm getting ready to send it over right now. I had to
Okay.
scan and I was waiting for it to, verify.
Okay, Officer Peoples is on you, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge, what is your email?
SEAN Sean period Perkins at 36districtcourt.org.
On his way.
Okay. And in the meantime,
We have two house councils or one house council?
two house councils
Okay, I have Harry Boffman and who else?
and Mr. Elmwood Berry.
Okay.
Somebody signed in. Somebody's not signed in, right?
Let me know when you get those documents.
I certainly will. Okay, Ms. Villaroo. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Long?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Villaroo, can you raise your right hand? I mean, I'm sorry, Mr. Hernandez, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will act truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And Ms. Hernandez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez. I'm a SCAO qualified Spanish interpreter.
And do you swear or affirm that you will interpret to the best of your ability from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay,
right.
let me open what the officer said, please. Buenos días a todos. Esta corte intersección con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras la corte esté en sesión, por favor, asegúrese de que su pantalla o ambiente muestre una imagen clara de usted y esté en silencio. Debe estar debidamente sentado derecho y quieto en un solo lugar. Si se encuentra en un vehículo, dicho vehículo no debe estar en movimiento mientras la corte esté en sesión. Tampoco se permite estar hablando, comiendo, bebiendo, masticando chicle, moviéndose de un lado a otro ni fumando. Y por favor, en todo momento esté apropiadamente vestido para comparecer hasta esta corte. Muy importante, por favor, mantenga sus micrófonos en silencio, porque si no se oye todo lo que pasa a su alrededor. Abran su micrófono cuando su caso sea llamado, por favor. Gracias. Okay, Your Honor.
All right. Let me start by allowing the people at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center introduce themselves. And today is the date for a community court. And I would like them to explain to everybody that is in court this morning what community court is all about.
Ok, déjeme comenzar hoy por permitir a la persona de el Centro de Justicia Comunitario del Suroeste de Detroit, con el cual nosotros trabajamos, que explique un poco sobre su papel en esta corte. Esta corte de hoy se llama la Corte Comunitaria.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Community Court. My name is Carmencita Buentello, and I'm the case manager here at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. The Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is a community justice organization who provides alternative sentencing program through our community court program. This is a partnership with the 36th District Court and the Detroit Police 4th Precinct, where participants can opt in the program and complete community service and receive additional social supports and have their fines and court costs reduced or dismissed.
Buenos días a todos. Okay, are you finished? I'm sorry. Yes,
yes, I am.
Ok, bienvenidos a todos a la Corte Comunitaria. El Centro de Justicia Comunitario del Suroeste de Detroit es una organización de justicia comunitaria que provee programas alternativos de sentencias a través de su programa de corte comunitaria. Los aquí participantes pueden optar por tomar este programa. Para hacer esto posible, trabajamos conjuntamente con la Corte 36 de Distrito y el 4º Precinto del Departamento de Policía de Detroit. De esta manera, los participantes que deseen optar por dicho programa podrán tener los costos de corte y las multas reducidas o desestimadas después de completar sus horas de servicio comunitario, así como también recibir cualquier otra ayuda y apoyo social adicional que pudieran necesitar para cualquier otra situación que tenga o se les presente. Mi nombre es Carmencita Buentello y yo soy la manager encargada de los casos y con quien ustedes se comunicarán si ustedes deciden tomar esta opción. Thank you. Gracias.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, as a way of, letting people know, my name is Judge Sean B. Perkins, and I am your community court judge today. Any ticket that came out of the Southwest Detroit area will come to me. And this is a community court-based program, so anybody that's willing to participate will want to sign up to resolve their matter and doing community service. If you don't want to participate, then you have to let us know now so we can get you to your alphabet judge.
Ok, para empezar les quiero decir que mi nombre es, yo soy el juez Sean B. Perkins. Yo soy el juez que preside en esta corte, que es una corte de servicio comunitario, se llama corte comunitaria. Si ustedes están aquí hoy y ustedes es porque han recibido un ticket en el suroeste de la ciudad de Detroit. Y si ustedes, los que están aquí con esos tickets, ustedes quieren tomar y adherirse al programa de educación de corte comunitaria, esta es su corte. Si usted está en esta corte y usted no quiere ser parte de este programa de hacer horas comunitarias, como se les explicó antes, por favor, este es el momento de que me lo digan inmediatamente, cuestión de que los mandemos entonces a otra corte con otro juez, donde usted entonces puede pelear su ticket sin hacer horas comunitarias.
And I should have said that people with the last name G, L, or O, you have to stay here anyway because you would come to me just the basis of your last name. I handle the last names G, L, or O. And if you have the last name G, L, or O, you don't have a choice. You're going to stay with me in this court.
Ok, quiero agregar entonces, por favor escuchen, que si su apellido termina en G de gato, L de Lola o O de Olga, esta es su corte quiera o no quiera adherirse a la Corte Comunitaria. Cuando le llamemos su caso, usted decidirá qué quiere hacer, pero no se tiene que ir, aunque no quiera hacer horas comunitarias, se tiene que quedar en esta corte porque si su apellido termina en G, en L o en O, esta es su corte. Los demás que estén aquí y no termine su apellido en G, en L o en O, sí tienen la opción de decir que no quieren corte comunitaria y se les pasará a su juez. GLO se queda aquí para lo que sea.
All right. Let's get going here. Mr. Goss, are you there?
He's not in the courtroom right now. He said he's going online.
Okay. Miss Keisha Ann Giles. Miss Giles, are you there? Can you
Yes, I'm
unmute?
here, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Keisha Ann Giles. Case number SP11-54512, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP11-545-241. Appearance for the record, please.
Keisha Ann Giles.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant.
All right. Mr. Baughman, your client, I'm going to set aside these 2 defaults on these civil infractions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So she's got an improper license. Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have proof of insurance, ma'am?
No, Your Honor. The car that I was driving with
right,
the friends, they were out of town.
Do they have proof of insurance? Here, it's gonna be a amended count of blocking traffic, $175. You want to take the deal, ma'am? The other 2 cases will be dismissed. That's $175. It's a civil infraction. That's like an expensive parking ticket. We'll dismiss the other 2 cases. You want to take that deal?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Baughman, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, we will so stipulate. Thank you, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other 2 matters?
Also so stipulated. Thank you.
All right, ma'am. I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm going to fine you $175. And with the stipulation, I'm going to dismiss the other 2 matters. When can you pay, ma'am?
I can pay at the end of the month, Your Honor.
Mr. Radliff, can you send me some dates, please? So let's see. And I need some pre-trial dates and trial dates. And can you get this paid by May the 2nd, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
All right, we're gonna pay by May the 2nd, 2022. You get that paid, we can close it out, ma'am. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right. All right. Is Jay Lee there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jade Lee, case number SP 108-1235, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 108-12521. Appearance for the record, please.
Jay Lee.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. P55052. Good morning, Ms. Lee.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Boffman, I'm going to set aside the defaults in the matter that's going to probably require you to go to, that's because they had during the pandemic, and that's probably require you to go get an updated offer from Ms. Lee. So I'm going to ask you to go to Mr. Goss, let him know that I set the 2 defaults aside, and we're dealing with the failure to yield to emergency vehicle, no proof of insurance, both civil infractions, and a driving while license suspended. All right.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. Do you need a breakout room, or you want to just check with Goss first?
Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send him a text message and see if I can get him to just pass that along. I'm going to include the case numbers and the accounts. In other words, the specific charges. That should be enough information for him to make an adjustment. It shouldn't take long. Thank you.
All right, we're going to set that. We're going to pass on that matter. Ms. Glogowski.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, I almost forgot about you.
No, that's okay. We can wait, no problem.
You know, I try to make sure. I know you guys got a lot of other things going on, so.
So does everyone. We appreciate it, though. Thank you.
All right. Is that Izagure?
Yes, Your Honor. And if we may please have the assistance of Madam Interpreter.
Very well.
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Everett Izagure, case number SP 126-2659, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 126-28921. Appearance for the record, please.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Everett Izaguirre, el caso número SP 126-26591, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Y el caso SP 126-28921. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Rachel Glogowski, número de registro 74194.
All right, Ms. Glogowski, does your client want to participate in community court?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Señora Glogowski, ¿su cliente quiere participar en el programa de corte comunitaria? Sí, su señoría.
Let's get a little rhythm here going, Ms. Glogowski. Once I speak, let Ms. Hernandez speak, and then you answer, okay?
Ok, señora Glogowski, vamos. Cada vez que yo hable, deje que la señora Hernández interprete antes de usted contestar, ¿ok?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
That's
Okay,
that was awesome right there. All right. The offer is going to be to plead to the improper plates. It's 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion and plead to the allowing another 12 hours of community service. That's 24 hours of community service, and the rest of the things will be dismissed, and I'll dismiss those 2 cases upon completion.
Ok, aquí el trato va a ser que se le ofrece 12 horas de servicio comunitario pues, por el cargo de tener placas indebidas y se completa, se cambia para el cargo de que permitió que alguien que no tuviera licencia manejara. Esto hace entonces que tengan 24 horas de servicio comunitario y una vez que usted cumpla esas 24 horas de servicios comunitarios, ambos cargos serán desestimados.
Yes, thank you, Anna.
Sí, gracias, su señoría.
All right, Mr. Izagore, do you understand? Is that what you want to do?
Señor Izaguirre, ¿usted entendió? ¿Eso es lo que usted quiere hacer?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Señor, por favor, ¿puedes levantar su mano derecha?
The other right.
Derecha. La derecha.
Oh.
We're a little nervous this morning, apologies.
That's understandable.
Disculpe, no está bien. Levante la mano derecha, señor, levántela.
He's got good counsel.
Ajá. Él tiene un buen abogado.
Sir, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Señor, ¿usted afirma o jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Ok, ya puede bajar la mano, señor.
Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima condena para este delito menor podría ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y de hasta o también $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Usted entiende que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, ¿verdad? Una condena de culpabilidad en un delito menor podría tener consecuencias potenciales en su caso de migración.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, and sir, do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente todo el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo desea?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y entiende que tomando este acuerdo que se le está ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a ese derecho de ir a juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que hemos dicho aquí que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, sir. Let me draw your attention back to October 11th, 2021 at around 6:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Warren Avenue and Colfax, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día de los hechos que fue el 11 de octubre del 2021 alrededor de las 6:45 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit en la intersección de Warren y Colfax. En esa oportunidad, ¿usted lo paró un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
And then were you operating a 2011 Mitsubishi on that date and time, sir?
¿Y usted ese día estaba manejando un Mitsubishi del 2011?
Sí.
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese oficial le pidió que por favor le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
And you
Yes.
couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señor?
No.
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué no se la pudo mostrar?
No lo tengo. No.
Because I don't have it.
And was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir?
Y señor, también había algo que no estaba correcto con las placas de identificación de ese carro.
Todo estaba bien, sí.
Excuse me. Había algo malo con las placas de ese carro.
Sí.
Había algo que no estaba correcto.
Sí.
And what was
Yes.
wrong with the plates, sir?
¿Qué era lo que estaba errado con las placas?
Más era la placa, era como un permiso.
There was like a permit.
It wasn't valid?
Era inválido.
Sí.
Yes.
So was it valid or was it not valid?
Okay, ¿eran válidas o no eran válidas?
No.
No.
Not valid?
No válidas.
Sí. All right.
Yes.
I'm satisfied, Counselor. Are you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Ok, abogada, yo estoy satisfecha. ¿Usted está satisfecha? Sí, su señoría, gracias.
Okay, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I told you after 12 hours of community service, I'll dismiss that. And I'm gonna find you guilty as charged to the improper plates. That's gonna be another 12 hours of community service for a total of 24 hours of community service. I'm gonna give you till May 18th to complete that. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts.
Ok, entonces yo le voy a encontrar a usted culpable del cargo enmendado de haber permitido que alguien sin licencia manejara. Por eso va a cumplir 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y lo voy también a encontrar culpable del cargo de placas inapropiadas, por la cual también tendrá 12 horas de servicio comunitario, para un total de 24 horas de servicio comunitario. Y una vez que usted termine esas horas, después de demostrar causa probable, los 2 cargos serán desestimados.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Anna.
Can I get that stipulation, counselor?
Yes, so stipulated. Thank you, Anna.
Estipulará usted, abogada, sí, su señoría, estipulado. Gracias.
All right, I need a good phone number for you, sir.
Señor, necesito un buen número de teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted.
Okay. 313.
Ajá.
808.
Ajá.
8632.
¿Perdón?
8632.
8632. Le repito, 313-808-8632.
Sí.
Ok, Your Honor, 313-808-8632.
Got it. I had that right.
Lo anoté bien.
All right, I need you to write this phone number down, sir.
Señor, por favor, necesito que usted escriba este número.
It's 313-879-2155.
You need to write that down, man.
A ver, dígalo.
313.
You didn't get that?
Ya, no. Dígale. 313-879-2155.
879.
2155.
Thank you.
313-879-2155.
Got that. Thank you very much.
All right.
Okay.
May 18th, you're going to have that time to complete those hours, sir. If it's nothing further, sir, get in contact with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon, and have a great day, you and Ms. Glogowski.
Thank you. You too, Anna.
All right,
Ok, señor, tiene hasta el 18 de mayo para completar estas horas de servicio comunitario. Por favor, llame ahí al centro de servicio comunitario esta misma tarde para que hable con la señora Buentello y organice cuándo va a ser esas horas. Ok, las tiene que hacer antes del 20, o sea, para el 28, para el 18 de mayo. Señora Glukowski, mucho gusto, encantada de verlo.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Gracias y tenga buen día.
All right, Mr. Cobb.
Good morning, Your Honor. Always a pleasure.
All right, my pleasure. Pleasure's all mine, Counselor. Who's your client?
Your Honor, I'm here for Mr. Felipe Cadena Shavana. He doesn't know how to use Zoom, so he couldn't be here today. So I would waive his presence if at all possible. But I've spoken with him this morning via text, and he is by the phone. So if the court would like, I can call him and have him on speakerphone.
All right. Well, what's his last name?
Fana. I have ticket number SP13207641. It's a
hold on a second. SP13207641.
No. 7641.
7641.
Correct.
SP13207641.
Correct. OT. No.
And now is your client willing to do community service?
Correct. And my client states that he can pay as soon as possible, like tomorrow, if the court.
Well, this is about community service. This is community court. So
he's
your
more
client-
he's more than willing to do community service, Your Honor.
All right, let me see what he has, and let me see if he's on my docket today.
He was originally scheduled for, I want to say the 5th of May.
Yeah, he's on here. He's on here. I would like to be able to have him so he knows all of what is expected of him, but I will allow you to let him know that.
Can I ask you something, Your Honor?
Yes.
I have 2 more tickets for my client that I haven't been able to have processed yet. I plan on coming to the court today to file an appearance on these 2 tickets and have them processed. Is it okay if we just arraign him on this matter and put it over until I can have these other 2 tickets processed as well, and we come back on all matters?
Very well. As long as he's willing to do community service, we'll do that. And,
okay, and
I'll give him a chance to speak with him. If he's not willing to do community service on the next day, if he does not like that, then we will allow him to go to his alphabet judge. All right.
Okay, I'm sure that won't be an issue, Your Honor. All
right.
I say the next time I'll have him present with me as well, Your Honor.
All right, very well. All right, let's get him arraigned. This is the city of Detroit versus Felipe Cadena Shavana, case number SP 1320761. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Cobb, P78658, here on behalf of Mr. Felipe Shavana Cadena. I'm Cadena Shavana. Your Honor, we stand mute and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. I'm going to set a $0 bond, and I'm going to give your client a court date of. Did you hand it to me? I'm going to give your client another pretrial date of I don't know if you're going to be able to. I'll give you a pretrial date of get those tickets entered into of June the 1st. That gives you an opportunity to get that in the system and talk to your client and tell them what the community court is all about. All right. 8:30 a.m. All right. If there's nothing further, Counselor, well, put the waiver of your client's appearance on the record, please.
Your Honor, my client is unable to use Zoom personally, as he explained to me. So he wasn't able to be here this morning. I'll arrange for him to be present with me on the June 1st day. I'll be seeking to waive his appearance for today because of his inability.
I'm gonna grant your motion to waive his appearance. Have him back June 1st, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. for pretrial.
All right, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day.
And Your Honor, I don't have a docket. What's the spelling of this client's name?
It's can we get Mr. Radliff? Can we get Miss Williams Law a docket? And the spelling is C-A, this is for last name first, C-A-D-E-N-A hyphen C-H-A-V-A-N-A, and then Felipe, F-E-L-I-P-E.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Lorenzo Perez.
Mr. Ratliff, I did send the docket to Miss Williams Law.
Okay, thank you.
Just to be helpful.
Appreciate it, Mr. Hoffman. Let me make sure I did receive it.
It's still pending. It's actually the docket in the offer, so it's about 36 pages. I'm sorry.
Okay. You sent it already?
Correct.
received it. Thank you.
Wow, you're welcome.
All right, Mr. Lorenzo Perez. Señor
Lorenzo Pérez.
Sí, sí, buenos días.
Yes, good morning. ¿Usted necesita intérprete, señor Lorenzo?
Sí, por favor.
Yeah, he needs interpreter, Your Honor.
Very well.
Where is he at in the docket?
He's on the top page for review. At bottom of the 825.
Okay.
And I just need to see if he was community service or not.
Señor Lorenzo Pérez, ¿usted quiere adherirse al programa de horas comunitarias?
El señor Lorenzo Pérez ya cumplió sus horas comunitarias, señora Hernández. Habla señora Buentello.
Okay, Mrs. Hernandez, this is Mrs. Montello, and Mr. Lorenzo Perez already is done with his community hours.
Yes, I see. Thank you, Ms. Montello.
Ya veo, gracias, señora Montello.
My pleasure, Your Honor.
Give me the correct pronunciation of Mr. Perez's hyphenated last name.
Perez?
Hinojosa Perez.
Encino.
It's like he, H-E, no Hosa. Hinojosa Perez.
Hinojosa Perez. Okay.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Lorenzo Perez Hinojosa. Case number SP 13081591. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, este es el caso del señor Lorenzo Hinojosa Pérez, número SP 13081591. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí.
All right, sir, you've completed your 12 hours of community service. I'm going to dismiss the case, okay?
Ok, señor, usted ya completó sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario, por lo tanto voy a desestimar su caso.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, sir, have a great day. Thank you for your service.
Ok, señor, si no hay nada más, ya se puede retirar, usted está listo. Muchísimas gracias.
Oh, muchísimas gracias a usted y a su audiencia. Gracias.
Okay, no, thank you very much for you and all your audience.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Ok, señor, que tenga buen día. Se puede desconectar.
Gracias, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Nico Owens.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nico Raphael Owens. Case numbers SP 1179065, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Good morning, Mr. Owens.
Good morning.
Mr. Owens, it looks like you didn't have a good day on that date.
No, I did.
I didn't see that, and I don't know what was going on, whether you had a bad day or the officer had a bad day.
I was on Belvedere and Warren, and
I don't want to hear the story.
Oh, okay.
I don't really want to hear the story because I want you to maintain your rights. And it looks like when it rains, it pours, right? You got pulled over twice in the same month?
I believe so. I believe so.
Oh, that's the next year. That's the next year. All right, we'll offer you, you're on the east side there, sir?
Yeah.
All right, let me do this. You paid related civil infractions, sir. I'm gonna dismiss both of the cases, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm
We're
gonna waive,
stipulating probable cause for that.
okay, that stipulation, I'm gonna waive the, I'm gonna waive both for the warrant fees as well, all right, sir?
Okay, thank you.
I hope you have a better day.
All right, thank you.
All right. All right. What about Gordon?
Right here.
Well, I don't know. Wait a minute. This T. Gordon is who I have. Teron, okay, you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Your Honor, forgive my interruption, but can I take Ms. Lee to the breakout room? Need to discuss something with her.
Ms. Lee?
Yes, please, and
All
thank
right.
you.
Anybody that you need to take to the breakout room to discuss offers with, I can do that. I can do that right away, and I can let you explain to them. And who are we? Jade Lee?
Jade Lee, please, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lee, can you join that breakout room? All right. Mr. Gordon, you've been pulled over for everything. Your file is pages long. Where are you, sir?
I'm right here. I can't get my camera to come on for some reason.
All right, we're gonna arraign him, Mr. Berry, and get him a pretrial date and get him back in here so we can get him an updated offer. That we're gonna bring you. You're not on the east side, are you? You're on the east. What side of town are you on, sir?
I'm on east side, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't know when is enough enough.
I've been trying to get it together, Your Honor.
It
I
shouldn't be
promise.
that hard.
You right. You
How old
right.
are you, sir?
I'm 43.
Oh my goodness.
Your Honor, I promise you, I'm gonna get it together. I promise you.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what. I hope to be here, and I hope to see it, and I'll work with you. But I always say, actions speak louder than words.
That's true. That's true, Your Honor. That's true.
So, but put some action to it, and make it happen. It's not like it can't happen, but at the end of the day, it's just it becomes a point where all of us have done things and we wish we can take back and all that stuff, but it becomes a point, especially in your 40s, where this is just, it gets to be ridiculous.
I agree, Your Honor, and you're right. I am tired, and I'm ready to get it together.
All right, let's. I'm still taking these notes, Mr. Berry, and we're just going to arraign him. We'll get him a court date, and we will get him an opportunity to be heard. But we're just going to get him another date, and we're going to get him off of this community court docket.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm still writing, sir. All right, there we go.
My fiance been getting on me as well, Your Honor.
All right, and you have kids?
Yes, I do.
And how old are they?
17 and 22.
And do they come out here? Do they get this stuff like this?
No.
All right, let's call the cases. This is City of Detroit versus Teran Demond Gordon. Case number SP 1100377, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1146236. That's in warrant status. SP 6604191. SP 80900. Strike that. SP 8090771. 1727250551. SP 1186205, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1186236. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gordon. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
Teran Demond Gordon.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm gonna recall the warrants. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and I will set a $0 bond in the matters. And Mr. Gordon, we'll have you back on, let's say, a little bit sooner. Let's have you back on, let's see what that falls on. Let's have you back on April the, all right, let's have you back on May the 2nd, 5/2/2022 at 8:30 for a pretrial. We'll get you an offer on these things and we'll see what happens.
Okay, Your Honor. I'm gonna get it taken care of, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna see.
I'm gonna make myself and my kids and my family proud, Your Honor.
That's what's up. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, good luck to you. That's why I gave you a sooner date so you can just get back in. We'll get an offer. You're gonna have an absolute right to a trial. We'll let you know all that stuff when you come back. All right.
Okay.
And the maximum possible penalty for these offenses, Mr. Berry, for your client is 93 days. There's 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. So, all right. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a great day.
You too, Your Honor.
All right. Let's get Mrs. Mr. Phillips, what is the person's name that what's the correct pronunciation of the person's name? Do we have any officers in here?
Yes, sir. Officer Adam Sexton, 7th Precinct.
Okay, Officer Sexton, very well. Good morning to you. And who are
Morning.
you here for?
A gentleman by the name of Mr. Gardner.
Okay.
From 2018.
All right. Do you have any recollection of that?
I do not. At this time, I wish to dismiss this.
All right. I'm going to let you speak to Mr. Goss. He likes to speak to all the officers. So I'll put you in a breakout room with him. And what kind of device are you signed on, officer?
It's a personal cell phone. It's an iPhone.
I don't see your name up there. What does it have a name on there?
I don't believe it does at this time.
Okay, you're probably just under this iPhone.
Yep.
Whoa.
Popped
Is
up. I
that
know.
you got the notification? Hold on, I don't think I put you in the right room though. You got that notification though?
Yes, sir, I do. It's the breakout room.
All right, then I put you in the wrong one, so I'm gonna move you.
Okay.
All right, there we go. All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, the young lady that we have present, her name is Maria Marisol Laguno Garcia.
I don't see her on the docket at all.
We have a hearing. She received here's a little ticket number. Do you need a ticket number? It's
Did she do the community service?
no, she's here because she didn't not know how to use Zoom, so she's here to attend her hearing.
All right, what's the ticket number?
SP 1255 8431, and I believe there's about 3 of them.
Is she willing to do community service?
Absolutely, Your Honor. She's seated there next to Mr. Phillips, and I believe he's muted, Your Honor.
Your Honor, she's here in the middle of the docket of 8:30.
Okay.
It's like Garcia Laguno.
In the middle of the docket.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Maria Garcia Laguna, case number SP 1255820, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1255841. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la señora María García, de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora María García Laguna, Laguno. Casos SP 125-58-201, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 125-58-431. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Edward S. Berry Jr. representando a la acusada, su señoría.
Is there an offer in the file? Do you see one for?
¿Hay alguna oferta en el expediente? ¿Ven alguna oferta que se haya ofrecido?
Let's just give her an allowing unlicensed driver to drive, 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service and dismiss the other 2 counts with stipulation of probable cause.
Ok, vamos a darle entonces que enmendamos el ticket a que le permitió que alguien más manejara, que no tuviera licencia, y después de que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario, le voy a desestimar ese cargo, y los otros 2 los voy a desestimar después de que se establezca la causa probable. Estipulado, su señoría.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That your client want to take the deal?
Entonces, señora, señor abogado, su cliente quiere tomar este acuerdo que se le está ofreciendo.
Yeah, the answer is yes. She's nodding furiously.
Sí, la respuesta es sí, ella está moviendo su cabeza afirmativamente.
All right. Ma'am, can you raise your right hand, please?
Señora, por favor, levante su mano derecha para ser juramentada.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes. ¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Yes.
Sí.
All right. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señora, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este delito menor es de 93 días, de hasta 93 días en cárcel y de hasta o $500 de multa?
Sí, la entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense could potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y usted entiende que si usted no es una ciudadana americana, cualquier culpabilidad en uno de estos delitos podría tener una repercusión en cuando usted vaya a a hacer su ajuste migratorio.
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand the maximum, you understand you have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am?
Usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio, señora. Yes.
You understand that by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y usted entiende que al tomar este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a ese derecho de ir a juicio.
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de esto que ya hemos hablado y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, ma'am. Let me draw your attention to October the 1st, 2021 at around 8:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Michigan and Chopin, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Ok, señora, déjeme dirigir su atención al día 1 de octubre del año 2021, alrededor de las 8:34 de la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit, en las intersecciones de la Michigan y la Choplin. En esa oportunidad y a esa hora, ¿usted la detuvo un oficial de policía?
Gracias.
Yes.
And on that date and time, ma'am, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y en ese momento y esa hora, ese oficial le dijo a usted que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida?
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿verdad, señora?
Le mostré una identificación solamente, no una licencia.
I show him an ID, but no a driver license.
All right, very well. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to dismiss that upon completion of the 12 hours community service, and with stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to dismiss the other two matters.
Ok, señora, entonces yo le voy a encontrar culpable de haber permitido que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y yo voy a desestimar ese caso una vez que usted haya cumplido con las 12 horas de servicio comunitario después de que se hagan las estipulaciones requeridas.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
All right, those are the other two matters will be dismissed. 12 hours of community service. Complete the community service by May 11th, 2022, ma'am.
Ok, señora. Entonces los otros dos cargos se serán desestimados una vez que ya cumpla con estas horas de servicio comunitario. Y tiene que cumplir con estas 12 horas de servicio comunitario para el 11 de mayo del 2022.
And we'll have you back May the 11th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. All right.
Y entonces tiene que volver a esta corte con esas horas cumplidas para el día 11 de mayo a las 8:25 de la mañana, señora.
Correct.
Okay, very good.
All right, you have all our contact information, right, Ms. Buenteo?
Yes, Your Honor, I will get that since we advocated for her this morning, Your Honor.
All right.
I can send that over to you.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day, ma'am.
Ok, señora Montello, usted tiene toda la información de la señora. Sí, yo tengo toda la información ya que estábamos abogando por ella esta mañana. Ok, señora Montello, sí, yo se lo mando a usted, su señoría. Ok, gracias, señora, que tenga buen día.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you, thank you very much.
All right. Ernesto Ayana.
Ernesto Ayano.
Yes, right.
Spell your last name for me, please.
Anaya, A-N-A-Y-A.
A-N-A-Y-A, and your first name is E-R-N-E-S-T-O?
Yeah.
I don't see anything here for you. Let me see on the docket how it's spelled, if it's made. Oh, Ernesto Lucero.
Yeah.
Luciero.
That's my second last name.
That's why I didn't say anything for you. Is that Luciero?
Yeah.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ernesto Inaya Luciero. Did I get that pronunciation right, sir?
Yeah, Anaya Lucero.
Anaya Lucero. SP 132-77011, SP 132-89941. Appearance for the record, please.
Ernesto Anaya.
Luciero, right?
Yeah, Ernesto
Good
Anaya.
morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant.
All right, I'm gonna say offer him an allowing and the 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the cases. You won't have a misdemeanor record at all, sir, and we will close them out upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. You want to do that?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. All right, sir, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I understand.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You understand if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to draw your attention back to March the 20th, 2022 at around 1:49 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Clayton Street, sir. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yeah.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
That was when I had my permit, but it was expired already.
Okay. Sir, did you have a valid driver's license now?
Yeah, I have got it now.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to dismiss the other case with the stipulation of probable cause.
Thank you, Your Honor. So stipulated.
And sir, upon completion of this 12 hours of community service, I'm going to dismiss this case. I'm going to give you till May 11th. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
All right. 313-492-7514.
And then you got the number over there to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No.
All right. You got ink pen?
Yeah, I'm about to.
All right.
Okay.
313-879-2155.
All right.
All right, call them this afternoon, set that hours up. I'm gonna give you till May 11th to complete it and review at 8:25 a.m., all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
Good luck to you. All right, do we have Mr. Boyd Gardner in here?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Good morning.
All right, Mr. Goss, did you speak to Officer Sexton? What about?
Yes, Your Honor.
Salid? You spoke to him?
Yes, I did.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Boyd Byron Gardner.
Yes,
case
sir.
number 18-418-8411. Appearance for the record, please.
Traffic. This is Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people.
Counselor?
You on mute, Mr. Berry.
Sorry, Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gardner. State your full name, Mr. Gardner.
Boyd Byron Gardner.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter Mr. Gardner, Officer Sexton, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yeah, first name Adam, last name Sexton, officer, city of Detroit.
Badge number and department and precinct.
I work at the 7th precinct, badge number 3114.
Very well. I got you listed as appeared. Is there,
Your Honor, the people move to dismiss this matter for no recollection.
okay, I'm sure there's no objection to that, right, Counselor?
Correct, Your Honor.
Matters dismissed, no recollection. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. All right, sir, if there's nothing further, you're free to leave, sir.
Your Honor,
Have a
can we
great day.
stipulation of probable cause?
Oh, can I get a stipulation of probable cause on that, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Have a nice day, Judge.
Officer Sexton, you have a very good day too, and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you. Take care.
You too. All right, where is there a
Thank you.
Salethia Lewis? Salethia Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there Officer Peacock here?
Officer Peacock present, Your Honor.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room. What time did you get here, Officer Peacock?
I got here at 9:25, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with, are you on the phone, Officer Peacock?
On the iPad, Your Honor.
I see you. I see you. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the attorney, city attorney, and then see if you guys come to a resolution on this. If not, we'll get ready to prepare for a trial. I'm sure it can be resolved. I hope it can. All right,
Thank you.
and then Ms. Lewis, I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak with one of the counselors in the room after you get that offer, so you can decide whether you want to take that or not. Mr. Goss, can you join that room for Mr. Officer Peacock, please? All right, let's go to Emmanuel Cervantes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning, how you doing?
Are you willing to do community service, sir?
No.
All right, let's get Mr. Radliff. Can we find out who has the Cs and get Mr. Emmanuel Cervantes to his alphabet judge, please?
1 second, Judge.
What's your date of birth, sir?
02/12/1997.
Yeah, he's got to go to 435. Get him the courtroom number to 435, and let's get him on his way, and see if you can call the court and see if you can give him a time to call in or something like that. We'll get him a phone number. The Zoom number is going to be 360-435-0000. Maybe you might want to call there right now. Zoom into that court right now. I don't know.
What was it, sir, again?
360-435-0000.
4 zeros at the end?
Yes, same as here, but it's just 4 instead of 434, it's 435. And then we get you a phone number so you can get that.
Okay.
You got a lot of stuff going on too. It's like you're a frequent flyer too. All right, let's move on to Gurley.
What was his last name, Judge?
Cervantes, Emmanuel, Cervantes.
Okay.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Oh, what's going on with Mrs. Jade Lewis?
And the defendant is requesting a trial date, a waiver trial date, as there is a genuine and material issue of fact.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, let's call this case. This is the city of Detroit versus Leroyce Terrell Gurley. Case number SP 2107431. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry.
Leroyce,
I'm sorry.
oh,
Go ahead.
Leroyce Terrell Gurley.
Harry Bachman for Mr. Gurley, P55052.
All right, sir. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss the case. You've paid related civil infractions, sir. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You still owe another $45 reinstatement fee.
Okay, I could pay that today too.
All right. As soon as you see, when you look up that ticket online, pay that. It's going to say 45 instead of the 95. You got to let Mr. Ratliff get this in the system. Dismiss, paid, related, civil infraction, waive warrant fee, pay, reinstatement fee. When you see that $45 thing there, you're going to be eligible to pay that. You pay that, you'll get that. That'll get to the Secretary of State in 48, 72 hours. Then you can approach them with that clearance. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss J. Lee. Miss Lee, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. My understanding, you want a trial date in these matters?
Yes.
Okay. That trial date is going to be May the 20th.
Okay.
May the 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right. I'll see
Thank
you.
you. Do I come back to this courtroom?
Yes, zoom in just like you did. All right.
Okay. Thank you so much. You have a great day also.
You have a better one. Okay. Zaldana.
Left and came back.
Here.
Sorry.
I'm here.
I think, you don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
¿Usted necesita intérprete, señor?
Le ocupo.
Yes, I need it.
Very well.
Muy bien. Señor, ¿es Pino Saldana o Saldana Pino?
Pino Saldana.
Okay, Your Honor, his name is Billy and his last name is Pino Saldana.
What's his last name?
Pino, P-I-N-O, hyphenated, Saldana.
Does he want to do community service?
Señor, ¿quiere hacer el servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
All right.
Let me
All right, you got to keep quiet, please.
Por favor, permanezcan en silencio con sus micrófonos apagados.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Billy Pino Zaldana, case numbers SP 1328420, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1328491. Appearance for the record, please.
Bueno, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Billy Pino Saldana. El caso número SP 132-84201. cargos 1 y 2 y SP 132-84991. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Holt S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Helmut Berry Jr., representando al acusado, su señoría.
All right, sir, 12 hours of community service plead to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That'll be 0-point ticket, non-abstractable, and I'll dismiss that ticket upon completion of 12 hours of community service. And I'll dismiss the other 2 matters with stipulation of probable cause. You want to take that deal, sir?
Ok, señor, este es el trato que le proponemos. 12 horas de servicio comunitario y le vamos a enmendar el cargo a que usted permitió que alguien que no tuviera licencia manejara. Y eso, con ese cargo ya no tiene ningún tipo de puntos en su licencia el día que la vaya a sacar, y si no, si la tiene, pues no tiene puntos. Y después de que usted termine esas 12 horas de servicio comunitario, se le van a quitar ese cargo y los otros 2 tickets van a ser desestimados después de que se haga la estipulación correspondiente.
Sí.
Yes?
All right, sir. You're going to raise your right hand, please.
Ok, señor, levante su mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Señor, ¿usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Sir, do you understand if your conviction for a misdemeanor offense, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, de verdad, cualquier tipo de, como estos casos, podrían tener una injerencia en los asuntos migratorios?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y usted entiende que la máxima condena y multas para estos delitos menores podría ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y de hasta o también $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene el absoluto derecho de ir a un juicio si así que lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y usted entiende que tomando esta oferta, usted está renunciando a ese derecho de ir a juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que aquí estamos diciendo? ¿Se ha dicho y consta en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to March the 15th, 2022, my son's birthday at about 5:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodmere and Norman Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Ok, señor, vamos a dirigir su atención al día 15 de marzo del 2022, el día del cumpleaños de mi hijo, por cierto, a las 5:58 p.m. de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en las intersecciones de Woodmere y la calle Norman. En esa oportunidad y en ese momento, esa hora, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
On that day, sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y en ese día, en ese momento, el oficial le dijo que usted le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Por qué?
No tenía licencia.
Because I didn't have one.
All right, sir, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Sentence you to 12 hours community service. I'll dismiss upon completion, And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters.
Ok, señor. Entonces, mi sentencia es que yo le voy a dar 12 horas de servicio comunitario para el cargo enmendado de que usted permitió que manejara a alguien sin licencia. Y después de que usted termine, pues se desestimará ese caso y los otros 2 se desestimarán después de haber establecido la causa probable y las estipulaciones.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulada, su señoría.
Need a good phone number from you, sir.
Señor, usted tiene un teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted, si es tan amable.
Sí, 313.
Ajá.
5.
¿Dos qué?
205.
05, ajá.
78.
¿Sí?
77.
7877.
07.
Ok, le repito. 313-205-7807.
Sí.
Ok, Your Honor, you got it?
215-78, is that 07?
Sí, señor. 313 is the area code.
So that's 205-7807.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm getting
You got
I'm getting it. All right. Sir, you need to take down the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir. That number is Trace 879-2155, and you need to call them this afternoon. I'm going to give you till May 11th to complete those review at 8:25 a.m.
Ok, señor, usted tiene que llamar al Centro de Servicio Comunitario del Suroeste de Detroit al número 313-879-2155 esta misma tarde para hablar con la señora Buentello y establecerle el horario para que haga sus horas comunitarias. Y tiene que tenerlas listas para el día 11 de mayo del 2022 a las 8:25 de la mañana, donde se tiene que conectar nuevamente con esta corte, igual que lo hizo hoy. Ok.
All right, call them this afternoon, sir. If it's nothing further, you have a great day.
Ok, señor, llámelos esta misma tarde. Si no tiene más nada que decir, ya se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias y feliz tarde.
Thank you very much.
Very much welcome.
Usted a la orden, señor.
All right, Mario Lamarck.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, how do you spell your last name, sir?
It's L-A, capital M-A-R-Q-U-E.
And the first name is just M-A-R-I-O. Did you hear me, sir?
Yes. Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Mario Bernard Lamarck. Case number 14-4962701. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lamarck. State your full name, Mr. Lamarck.
Mario Bernard Lamarck. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Let me just check this out right quick. Okay, sir, I'm going to dismiss the case. He paid a related civil infraction. I'm going to waive the warrant fee, hold you responsible for the $40.5 reinstatement fee, sir. If it's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. You have any questions? Mr. Lamarck?
Pay that.
I said I'm gonna dismiss the case. You're paid a related civil infraction. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You pay the reinstatement fee of $45. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a very good day.
Thank you so much.
All right. Ms. Lee,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are you, ma'am?
I'm finding you.
I'm very well, thank you. Let's see. The first name is spelled Tawana.
NNA.
NNA.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. That's not doing it. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Tawana Diana Lee. Case
Yes.
numbers SP35358881, SP35358991, SP739644, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tawana Lee.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lee.
Okay. Do we have an offer for Ms. Lee?
I have no offer.
All right, let's see.
That would be allowing and dismiss the other 2 matters.
It's 3 matters. She's got to, well, let's see what this one is. Let's see. All right. Allowing and dismiss the other 2. Ma'am.
Yes.
The offer today is going to be allowing. Are you in Southwest Detroit, ma'am?
No, sir.
What side of town are you on?
West Side, McNichols, Greenfield area.
All right, I'm either going to give you an option. I want to give you an option of either doing community service 12 hours or paying this matter $240. I'll dismiss upon either payment or the
I'll take the payment because I work 12 hours a day.
All right, ma'am. Can you raise your right hand, please? Let me see if you have your right hand up. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, ma'am, let me draw your attention back, way back to these tickets go back 2016, counselor, and 2015. Do you want to change your does that change how you advise your client? I can give your client a trial date. I can allow your client to pay the reinstatement fees up front, and we can have her back on May the 20th. You don't even know what you're saying no to, ma'am.
Can we have a brief moment in a breakout room, Your Honor?
That's what I said. Go into the room.
Jan?
Yes.
We have Miss Grisel Lumley.
All right, I'll get her. What is what device? Oh, you're on that iPhone 3, huh?
Who be?
No, that's Miss Lee. Join that room, please, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Who is this in here? Wrong person on ticket.
Carlos Salamilla. His second last name is.
It's me, Your Honor. It's me,
Yeah, hold on.
Sergio Antonio Furman.
And wrong person on ticket. That's you, Mr. Furman?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that's a good defense. Let's see if it holds water.
Your Honor, we're ready on Lewis.
What's gonna go on with Lewis?
Dismissal.
All right. You win today, Miss Lewis. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You like that, don't you?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Who doesn't like to be a winner, right?
Yes, sir. But I do respect the officer at the same time.
I'm sure. Yeah,
Right, because it's always a loser with a winner, Your Honor. So
it always is a loser with the winner.
right. So I appreciate that, Ms. Lewis.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Salethia Levan Lewis, case number SP 1176660, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
Salethia Lewis.
Harry, you on mute. He's on mute, Your Honor.
He can get it.
Harry Bachman for the defendant.
And you also have Officer Peacock. Could you state your name?
Officer Peacock, Detroit Police Department, 3rd Precinct, badge 3946.
There we go. Officer Peacock, I got you as a peer. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And go ahead.
Your Honor, this time the people are moving to dismiss due to no recollection.
Okay. I don't hear any.
No objection.
I didn't think I knew I was going to hear that real soon. All right. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss, no recollection. Ms. Lewis, you have a very good day. Officer Peacock, you have a very good day, and you be safe out there, okay?
You as well. Thank you all.
Your Honor, can we get the stipulation of probable cause?
Can I get a stipulation of probable cause, Counselor?
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Barry, you didn't join that room yet?
Oh, joined and we're done, Your Honor.
What's your client? Let me pull your client out right quick.
Yeah.
If I can.
Your Honor, in the meantime, can I ask somebody what's his name?
Certainly.
Ok, gracias. Señora Giselle Salazar, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
No.
Ok, y hay otra persona que dice Giselle's phone. ¿Ese es usted o es otra persona?
No, es otra persona.
Ok, Mrs. Giselle's iPhone. Do you need interpreter? Okay.
All right. So let's go back on the record with Mrs. Tawana Lee. Ms. Tawana Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room to get some legal advice. Mr. Barry, what does your client want to do now? Does that change her opinion?
It does, Your Honor. She would avail herself of the court's offer to permit her pay her reinstatement fees and get a new date, a trial date.
All right, Mr. Ratliff, I'm going to mark on here on these. I'm going to mark it on each ticket. Pay reinstatement fee up front. So please put that in the computer and you'll see how I'm doing this when I get you these pages. I can actually send you some pages right now.
We can get them. We can get them a little later. I'm following along with the judge.
Okay, very well. For the SP 3535881, I'm going to waive the reinstatement fee on that. I don't think it's going to have any bearing. But ma'am, what I ask you to do is come down to the courthouse with $135. This is going to be the same $135 you were going to have to pay whether you take the plea today or your tickets got dismissed or whatever happened. But that $135 will get you clearances here at the 36th District Court. Wait 48 to 72 hours once you pay that, and then you can possibly approach the Secretary of State for a license. But I say possibly because I don't know if you've been running them up in other jurisdictions. You know? So that's going to be on you. I'm going to set a trial date for May the 20th, 2022. At 9 a.m. The only thing, if you get that license, and I hope you do, the only thing that'll mess that license up is if you don't show back up.
Right, correct.
You got that, ma'am? So I don't know of a better way to, I'm going to have Mr. Ratliff put on each one of those tickets that you are allowed to pay that reinstatement fee up front. And then I don't know of a better way to tell you to do it except come to the cashier and let the cashier know that I said that. If you have a problem, you can always come upstairs to the 434 and we can figure it out and work it out. All right.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back May 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m. for a trial. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All matters being set for a trial.
All matters being set for a trial except for the civil infraction. I'm going to leave that alone. In the civil infraction, I will waive the reinstatement fee on that, just so that it won't affect her, if it potentially affect her to get a license. But the other three matters are gonna be set for a trial. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ronald Lewis. Oh, let me take the person. Do we have a actual review? Go ahead. You're free to leave, Miss Lee.
Okay.
Mr.
Yes,
you
Your
mentioned who's on that review?
That's Giselle Lamela.
And are they there with you?
No, they were on the screen when I last looked.
Okay, I see Giselle's iPhone. All right.
Yes.
Lamelli. Giselle Lamelli. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Señora, tiene que abrir su micrófono. No le escuchamos. ¿Usted necesita intérprete?
Yes. Sí.
Yeah, she needs an interpreter and now she can hear us.
All right. Good morning, ma'am.
Buenos días, señora.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Giselle Lamelli, case number 19-526-4531. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, este es el caso de la señora Giselle Lamelli de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Giselle Lamelli, caso SP 1-9626-4531. Comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lamelli.
Let's add to...
Helmut Berry Jr. representando a la señora Lamelli.
All right, let's add to the record SP 11-2589-11 and 217-277-441.
Ok, vamos a agregar en el récord que también tenemos los casos SP 112-589-11 y 217-277-441.
All right, Ms. Lomelli, I see that you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. You completed those 12 hours of community service. Based on that, we're going to honor our agreement, ma'am. We're going to amend this charge to an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And we're going to dismiss all the cases with the stipulation of probable cause.
Ok, señora, como se había acordado, ya usted hizo sus 2 horas de servicio comunitario, ¿verdad? Y entonces tenemos el caso de que usted dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Eso es un caso enmendado y que se va a desestimar. Igualmente se van a desestimar los otros casos después de que se haga la estipulación que se necesita.
Ok, está bien.
Ok, it's okay.
And so stipulated, Your Honor.
Ok,
Yeah.
ha sido estipulado, su señoría.
Okay. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a great day.
Ok, señora, si no hay ninguna otra cosa, no tiene nada que preguntar, que tenga un buen día. Ya está usted lista.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. Have a good day for you too.
All right, very well.
Ok, muy bien.
Can you hand me some more paper that paper up there, please? Okay. Let's move on to Ronald Lewis. Is Ronald Lewis, you need to unmute yourself, press star 6 to unmute yourself.
Hello?
It's Ronald Lewis.
Speaking.
Very well. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. This is, let's get a date of birth.
2/11/58.
All right. Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Ronald Lewis. Let me see. Just to make sure, because it's a pretty common name. I don't want to get you mixed up with anyone else. All right. This city of Detroit versus Ronald Lewis, case number SP 109-62291, SP 123-83641, SP 123-8379, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Ronald Lewis.
Okay. I don't know if I have an offer for you yet. Let me see. Did you get any offers, Mr. Berry?
I got offers, Your Honor. 36 pages of them. I'll give you just a second.
Let's see. Well, let me ask you this, sir. Do you have a license?
Yes, sir.
You have registration and insurance?
Yes, sir.
And how are we going to prove that by you being on the phone?
I can read the information to you.
Mr. Goss, are you there?
Judge, I show improper plates on case SP 1096229.
Yeah, improper plates, and then and does that have all the other stuff, or is that just one thing on there?
That's just the one charge.
Okay, so that other stuff is not on his case file. Now, is Mr. Goss there?
No, he's not in the courtroom.
All right, let me see if I can get him here right quick.
I have found the offer.
I did too, but the offer only has one case on there. I'm thinking if Mr. Lewis has his license, I don't know, can you run his driver's license for me, Mr. Radliff, and see if it's valid? We'll do that first. And if the city attorney is satisfied with you giving the stuff over the phone like that, I'll allow that. And then we'll offer you for the amended count of blocking traffic. And then you'll pay, if you pay $175 if you want to clear it up, and we'll dismiss the other
Excuse
stuff.
me,
So,
I don't remember getting a ticket for blocking any traffic.
I know you don't remember getting a ticket, but you got a ticket for speeding 6 to 10 over. That's a 2-point offense. Would you rather fight the speeding ticket, or would you rather amend it to blocking traffic and pay the $175?
Well, I just do the blocking traffic.
That's a smart man. I'm gonna wait on the city attorney to see if he lets if he's in agreement with that, because he's gonna be the one that's gonna accept or deny your representation of insurance.
Oh,
Your
okay.
Honor, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, could you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
All right, Mr. Goss, Mr. Ronald Lewis is here. He's got no insurance misdemeanor, 2 counts, 1 license improper, and a speeding 6 to 10 over. He indicates to the court that he has a valid driver's license. We're waiting on Mr. Radliff to verify that. And he indicates that he has insurance, and he would like to, he's on the phone. He's a call-in. Well, how old are you, Mr. Lewis?
I'm 64.
So he might have he might not be as technologically advanced, or he might not have the technology to do it. So he wants to know if you can read off his insurance information to you and you accept that.
Well, first, let's see if he has a driver's license. That's the most important issue right now.
All right, let's go with let's pass the matter until we get that. Let's go with Osterman.
What about me?
I'm gonna pass it. We're waiting on your insurance.
Yes, sir.
We got to verify your insurance, sir. All right.
Yeah.
I mean, verify your license.
Oh, you want the number?
No, we're going to verify that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I always say that might not be worth the paper it's printed on, the plastic it's printed on.
Oh, I understand.
We got to check,
Judge,
all right.
You have an email.
Is it valid?
You have an email. I sent the email to you.
It's valid.
Looks like it's valid, Judge.
It's valid. It's valid. So, Mr. Goss,
I would do the blockading, and I take the assertion that the.
What are those insurance numbers on there, sir? What company do you have?
Say that again.
What company do you go through your insurance on?
I have LA Insurance.
All right. And when does the policy end?
When do you want? I don't. I paid it off up to 6 months, and you want the policy number?
No, it should have an expiration date on the policy.
Oh, here it is. It's a 2/6. Wait a minute. 2/16/22. Yes, expiration date right there. Right. Expiration 22. Wait a minute. Hold on. Could you hold on a second?
Yes.
That's it. I put them all in here.
Is that your wife there with you, sir?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
State your name for the record.
Oh, Ruth Kareem.
Ms. Kareem, does Mr. Lewis have insurance on those cars?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna, he doesn't get it, he can't get it together, so I'm gonna accept your representation.
Well, I appreciate you.
I'm going to, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm gonna fine your client $175, and with stipulation of probable cause, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters.
And so stipulated.
All right, Mr. Lewis.
Yes, sir.
Can you find that $175 quicker than you can find that insurance?
I I can.
All right, I'm gonna tell you pay. When can you have it paid?
I can pay it. It can be paid yesterday. You know, it's no problem with the money.
Well, come on down to the courthouse and pay it today, all right?
Oh, I can do that? Oh, okay, I can do that.
Or you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm gonna put a pay by date for you by this Friday. And
okay.
Either you pay it or they're gonna suspend your license.
Oh, it's no problem. Hey, I have another court date for tomorrow with another judge. Can I take care of that today?
I don't know how you have another judge at 36th District Court.
Yeah.
I don't think so, sir. Not with another.
Oh, you don't
judge.
think so?
No. Let me see.
He said he don't think he can do it.
You got a case number? Listen to
yeah,
her.
we have
She's
a
trying
case
to tell
number.
you how to. She's trying to tell you how to handle it.
Yeah, you heard me, didn't you, Your Honor? The case number is S as in Sam, 616669.
S as in Sam, 61.
Yes.
That's not 36th District Court, is it, Mr. Radler?
That might wait a minute. Yeah, I think that is. Well, yeah.
Is it an SP ticket? SP what?
Yes, that's 36th District Court.
All right, he's got another driving while license suspended. I see it. All right, let's call case number S616669. This sounds like a very old ticket.
Judge, can you repeat that, please?
S616669.
SP 12510-951. Going on.
Mr. Lewis. I think at some point, there it is. I got it. At some point, you weren't. That's a 1989 ticket.
Yeah.
At some point, Mr. Lewis, you
Yes,
weren't
sir.
handling your business at all.
Okay.
You said, okay, right? You're not even going to
I mean,
address. You're not even going to address that, are you?
I don't even remember back in 1989.
I know, because you've been running amok for so long.
When I got myself together, I got my license, I got insurance.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. I'm sure Mr. Goss doesn't want to try to prosecute at 89 this driving
Thank you,
license.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, I'm glad you got your wife there to keep you together, because I see she's working hard on the back end.
Yeah, you always do.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, y'all have a great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You too. Now have a blessed one. Stay
And
safe.
make sure he gets down to the courthouse and pays that ticket today, $175.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. You said he can also go to a kiosk, right?
Give that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can upload that That app on your phone and pay it. Those are the two best ways I know how to pay it. I'll see it instantly.
Now, what's the app, Your Honor?
That, DIVDAT.
DIVDAT. DIDDAT.
DIV, as in
Yeah,
Victor.
DAT.
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a great day, man. And
You
Mr.
too.
Lewis.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. We got pages and stuff. Osterman, are you there still?
Yes, sir.
What's your middle name, ma'am?
Tamika.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well. Your Honor, can I say something before we start?
What do you want to say? I don't know. You want to talk to your lawyer first?
You want to be careful.
It was just I paid all my tickets, and then 2 days later I got this in the mail to say you're here, and I thought I had paid everything.
Okay, thank you.
I see.
You're welcome.
All right, let's do this. Have you ever been in front of me, Miss?
I believe so, and you dismissed 2 tickets, but then you gave me to February the 4th to pay them. I went and paid everything and fees, and I did wind up obtaining my license back.
Congratulations, ma'am. That's what we're setting out to try to do. And I appreciate you taking those steps. And
I appreciate letting me.
Definitely. All right, let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Lucretia Tamika Osterman, case number SP 108-28581, SP 108-28731, 17-337-637, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, please the court, Harry Boston for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Lucretia Tamika Osterman.
Somebody's got some interference there. Okay, Ms. Osterman, I see that you have honored your end of the deal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out each one of these cases. Congratulations on getting that license, ma'am, and good luck to you, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day.
You too, sir.
All right. I don't need to hear that, sir. All right, Carlos, Amelia. I think may need an interpreter, Madam.
I am here.
Hernandez.
Here I am,
Carlos. I think Carlos Amelia, they were saying that they had a different name under there.
Yes, it is under Escalona, I believe, the lady that is with her.
Estelona.
Yeah, so it's Carlos, but it's Carlos Alamilla Escalona.
Alamilla Escalona. All right. Are they there?
Señor, ¿dónde está?
Aquí, estoy aquí.
There he is. Can you see him?
Yeah. Ask him, does he have registration and insurance?
Señor, ¿tiene registro? Señora, por favor, yo le tengo que interpretar. Gracias. ¿Tiene registro y tiene el seguro de vehicular?
Sí.
Yes, I have both.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Estelona. Case number SP1259837, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Carlos Escalona, número de caso SP 125, 98, 371 y 372. Por favor, sus comparecencias para que consten en el acta.
Sí.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Escalona.
Elwood Berry Jr. representando al señor Escalona.
Okay. Yep. Sí.
Okay, yes. Su nombre, señor.
Let's see those documents that he has. I need a registration and insurance.
Señor, por favor, muestra a la cámara su registro vehicular y su seguro vehicular en la cámara para que lo pueda ver bien el juez. Más cerca.
That's just a title. I need registration for the vehicle and insurance for the vehicle.
Ese es lo que usted nos está mostrando anteriormente, era el título. Necesitamos el registro y el seguro.
Okay. It's blurry. Can you back it up?
Señor, pues lo puede poner, Your Honor, you just tell me what, you know.
All right, let's see. She's got it up there. I can't. Can you put it? Is there some kind of way you can turn the camera around and show it to me differently?
¿Hay alguna forma de que usted me lo pueda mostrar con la cámara diferente?
Sí.
No blurry. Pull it out a little bit further. Do you have some kind of background on or something?
Tiene.
Yes.
Can you turn the background off? There we go.
Okay,
Now,
ahora sí.
Now push it closer, please.
Un poco más cerca, por favor.
All right, now does he know that is expired now?
Okay,
Both
pero
of those, one of them is expired. Does he know one of those is expired now?
¿El señor entiende que uno de esos dos ya expiró?
No. ¿Cuál?
Which one? Bueno,
The
tiene
insurance
que
is expired. It expired 4/11/2022.
Ya, el seguro.
Necesita, por favor, que me oiga cuando yo interpreto. Si la persona que está con usted ahí le interpreta, yo no puedo oír lo que usted diga.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I need you to listen and let me interpret, because if the person beside you interpret for you, I cannot hear you. Ok, so de George said, lo que dijo el juez fue que si usted se dio cuenta que uno de esos está expirado, el seguro está expirado.
Sí, me acabo de dar cuenta.
Yes, I just realized that.
You have any current insurance on that vehicle, sir?
¿Y tiene alguna otra aseguranza en ese vehículo, señor?
No.
No.
All right. Now I'll give you one of two options. You can do the 12 hours of community service, or you can come back next week with some valid insurance and I'll dismiss.
Ok, señor, yo le voy a dar dos opciones. O usted hace 12 horas de servicio comunitario o usted viene, busca y obtiene otro seguro y viene la semana que viene con ese seguro nuevo. Y entonces yo le quito los casos.
Ok, sí, yo renuevo el seguro hoy mismo. Lo que pasa es que no he estado, después de este incidente, yo no he estado manejando.
Okay, yes, I will renew the insurance today. And just for, you know, what happens after this incident, I have not been driving anymore.
Pre-trial date, it's going to be next week, April the 27th. Bring that insurance in at 8:30. Get here first, sir. I'll get you out first, and I'll dismiss the case if I see valid insurance. And those plates will be expired 2 days after that. So you might want to get some new plates as well.
Ok, señor. Entonces, mire lo que vamos a hacer. Usted va a venir aquí el 27 de abril de este año a las 8:30 de la mañana. Regístrese temprano, que yo lo llamo temprano para que usted salga rápido. Tiene que traerme la nueva aseguranza. Y cuando yo la vea, entonces yo le voy a desestimar ese caso, ¿verdad? Ese cargo. Y ahora, 2 días después de esa fecha, se le vencen las placas. Entonces, más le vale que también renueve de una vez las placas.
Correcto, sí, lo haré de una vez.
Correct. I will do the plates also, Your Honor.
Okay. Come back next week, April the 27th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Ok, señor. Entonces, así quedamos. Usted vuelva a conectarse aquí el 27 de abril de este mes, de este año, a las 8:30 de la mañana con sus pruebas de renovación.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Que tenga buen día.
Have a
All
good
right,
day.
Have a great day as well.
Usted también, señor.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Glasgow, Reginald. You there?
Your Honor, this is Miss Buenteo. I noticed that we have a Miss Almadelia Gonzalez who's here for a review. She's online there.
Okay.
And
Thank
she didn't
you.
require interpreters. So I tried, get her out early.
All right, let's get it.
You just ask for me.
Hold on a second, sir. Do you have registration and insurance, sir?
I don't have that car anymore.
I didn't ask you that.
Yeah, I have registration and insurance.
All right, can you provide that to the court so I can see it?
What you want it on my current vehicles?
Pardon me?
You want it on my current vehicles?
Yes.
I got two vehicles right now that got insurance on them.
Well, that's good. Give me a good registration and insurance paperwork, and we'll get you out of here.
I can go down to the car right now and get the insurance and registration to the van.
Okay. All right. I'll call the case.
Hey,
as soon as you...
Your Honor.
What's that?
These tickets was put on my car. I wasn't stopped.
All right, sir. Listen, if you're gonna get it dismissed, why talk about it? All right.
All right. Let me go get you. Let me go get you.
All right, Mrs.
I'll be right back.
Okay, Mrs. Almadela Gonzalez.
Señora Almadelia González, do you need interpreter?
No, I don't.
Okay. He doesn't need interpreter.
All them dogs. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Amandela Gonzalez, case number SP 125-05291. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant, Your Honor. Would you state your name, please? Ms. Gonzalez,
Yes.
state your name.
Oh, I'm Adelia Gonzalez. Sorry.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Gonzalez, I see you completed 12 hours of community service, ma'am. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss the ticket, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am. Have a great day.
You as well.
I had some interference when you called that ticket. What's the case number again?
Case number is SP 125-05291.
Your Honor, we also have a Giles Cruz who's here for review. She's also
Cruz?
online. Yes, CRUZ Giles. There she
All
is.
right.
Yeah, and
She
she
does
needs
require an
interpreter.
interpreter.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Manueletta Cruz, case number SP 125-02391. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Ayaelis Cruz, número SP 125-03-129. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Yaelis Cruz.
Yaelis Cruz.
Wait a minute. I thought that was Leto.
No, Your Honor, I have her case number as SP 120-86871. And she had her initial hearing on the 23rd of March.
All right,
Your Honor, she's the first one on the summary.
No, that's not the first one.
No, she's not.
All right, go.
No, I'm not talking about the docket, Your Honor. I'm talking about the summary that was sent to you.
Oh, no, that's Giles Cruz.
Yes.
That's
and
correct.
that I have 6 hours of community service and not 8.
Yes.
So she's not done?
No, she's not.
Oh,
and
Ok,
there's
esa es
also
Yaelis Cruz. Sí, esa es Yaelis Cruz. Yo la tengo aquí con el número de caso SP 120-86871. Ah, pero es que yo estaba llamando a Margarito. No, ese no es el que estábamos llamando, es este. Yo tengo aquí que ella tiene 6 horas, ¿no las ha completado? No las ha completado.
there's an issue about another ticket that she has that's supposed to be heard in your courtroom next week on the 27th. She was
Y
trying to
también
say
hay otra cosa con otro ticket que ella tiene, que se supone que tiene que presentarse para la semana que viene en su corte. El número de ese ticket es, the name of the ticket is?
yes.
Yes, I do. You got it, Mr. Phillips? If not, I have it handy.
I have it. So is this another ticket? Wait a minute.
Yes.
It is.
So these are new tickets?
No, it's one new ticket that's going to be heard in your courtroom on the 27th. She was trying to see if she can get that resolved today.
Well, hold on. You can let Miss Hernandez.
Thank you. Thank you, Honor. Ok, pero es que este es otro ticket. Sí, este es otro ticket. Entonces ella está aquí porque ella está aquí por el ticket anterior, pero tiene otro ticket que se tiene que presentar el día 27 y ella quería saber entonces si podía resolver ambos tickets aquí hoy. Ok, dejemos que la señora Hernández por favor interprete. Gracias.
Thank you.
All right. Well, the thing is, she can't keep coming back in here with tickets.
La cosa es que ya no puede estar regresando aquí con más y más tickets.
Judge, I'm gonna need those case numbers as well.
For the
We're
27.
gonna wait on calling her case
Okay.
because
And I
she's
can
got
give
new
you-
stuff. This is not like she's in review.
Ok, entonces vamos a ver para que llamara su caso porque no es como que si estuviera aquí en una revisión.
All right, where's Mr. Glasgow?
I'm right here.
All right.
I'm right here.
All right. All right, let's call the you got your paperwork, sir?
Yes, I do.
I got my paperwork.
Who said that?
Antonio Penny.
This is the City of Detroit versus Reginald Bernard Glasgow. Case numbers SP 104-6646, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Glasgow, announce your name, please.
Reginald Bernard Glasgow.
All right, let's see what you got, sir. That is certificate of no fault insurance.
I got the registration too.
Hold on a second. Push that back up there.
It's still up there.
Hold it still.
Hold on.
And slide it over a little bit.
Which way?
That way, that's good. And who is that? American Economy Insurance Company? Yeah, all right. Let's see the registration.
Here, it's legal.
I didn't say it wasn't legal, did I? Now you're making me question whether it's legal or not.
Well, I pay $7,000 a year on that insurance.
All right. I didn't say anything about it being legal. You brought that up.
Well, I just got an attitude about the tickets I got. I wasn't even in the car and they put these tickets on my car.
All right. So why you got an attitude with me?
I don't have one with you, sir.
I'm just trying to get this. Sir, you can put it down, sir. I don't know why they put the tickets on your car. I'm just giving you an opportunity to clear it up. I'm going to dismiss the tickets. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're going to have to pay the reinstatement fees. So you got to.
Well, can't they take that $200 I gave them and take care of that?
Yeah, they can. And then they'll refund you the rest. You can come down to the courthouse and tell them to apply the bond, and then they'll apply the bond, and then they'll send you back in the mail whatever's left over. Okay.
I'll come down and do that. That's just another way of taking a hard-working man's money.
Sir, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, I don't. The tickets are going to be dismissed.
I appreciate it.
All right. If it's now, let me ask you this: what are you talking about? They put these tickets on your car.
The car was sitting in front of my house.
And the car didn't. Was the car registered?
The plate had expired.
Okay, so it's not them just, wait a minute. It's not them just taking a hard-earned man's money. Yeah, it is taking them a hard-earned man's money, but you admitted to not having any plates on the car. So that's why they took the money. If the car is sitting out, the car has got to be plated and registered.
Yes, sir, but it's one other thing that should have happened before all of that. They should have put a warning on the car first.
That's how you feel about it. That's not required by the law, sir. The law says you're supposed to have a plate and registration on the vehicle and insurance on the vehicle, and that's it. I understand you could be upset about that, but you know, I mean, that's what the law is. But I'm still going to dismiss the ticket, sir. I see you got valid insurance and registration now, and good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, you come down to the court and they can apply that bond and they'll take that $90, I'm pretty sure, and they'll return the rest in the mail. All right. All right, have a great day. All right, let's move on to this is let's get Jalisa Gisele Salazar.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Did I say that right?
It's Giselle Salazar.
Giselle Salazar?
Yes.
Are you willing to do community service, ma'am?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what you have. This is the city of Detroit versus Giselle Salazar, case number SP121-55401. Appearance for the record, please.
Giselle Salazar.
Counselor?
Gary Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. Good morning, Ms. Salazar.
Good morning.
All right, good morning, ma'am. So you have a allowing, there's two ways we can handle this, Mr. Boffman. We can give your client the 12 hours of community service and dismiss upon that, or I'll set it for a trial date for it. Is an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and you can speak with her in a breakout room as it relates to that stuff, and you will give her an opportunity if she wants to come back in.
Okay.
All right, speak to her in a breakout room momentarily and come back and let us know what you want to do.
Thank you.
All right, Greer. Where's Greer?
Yes, yeah, I'm here.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
All right, let's see what you have. All right, what is your date of birth, ma'am?
March 26, 1993.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Shayla Greer, case number U384-31817. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Greer. State your full name, Ms. Greer.
Shayla Amee Greer.
Okay, ma'am. Are you are you stable? Have a stable roof over your head, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right. And have you always had a stable roof over your head?
Yes, I have.
Okay. The offer for your client, I gotta, let me see what the offer is on these EWAP tickets. I can set the matter for trial. Set the matter for trial. We got to arraign your client, Mr. Berry.
Yes. Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, I'm gonna recall the warrant want to recall the warrant, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and we're going to set the matter for a bench trial on May the 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m., ma'am, all right? Got that date, Miss Greer?
You said May 20th, 2022, correct?
At 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Make sure you appear on that morning, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Who said they got their documents? I know who said it. I knew who said it. Take your hat off, sir.
Talking to me?
Yes.
Nathaniel Penny.
All right, take your stocking hat off.
You never got my document.
No, you take your stocking hat off. All right. Listen, sir, you said you got your documents?
Yeah, I got my paperwork right here.
Hold on a second. What's your name?
Nathaniel Penny, SP 125.
No, wait a minute, wait. Wait a minute. Penny.
Pennick? Yeah.
I don't see him on the docket today.
They sent me this.
Oh, there he is.
He's on the second page.
Second page?
Middle of the page.
For some reason, I can't find my second page. That might be why I don't see it.
Okay.
Oh, here it is.
Just above Mr. Peanut.
Yeah, Penny. Oh, you don't have any documentation for this, sir.
Well, they told me go in today. Come on your line.
No. You this is listen. Do you want to do? He can just go to his. He's been in here all morning. Let me call the case. This is an open intox motor vehicle driver, sir.
Yeah, I had an empty bottle.
No, you don't say anything. Please don't, because I don't want you to implicate yourself before you talk to a lawyer. If that's what you were about to do, I don't want you to do that. But I know you don't have any paperwork that you say I can drive with this liquor in the car. This is the city of Detroit versus Nathaniel Pinnock, case number SP125-10951. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Pinnock.
All right, state your name for the record, sir.
Nathaniel Pinnock.
Mr. Berry, you want to just set a trial date for your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so explain it like this to you, sir. The charge is open intox in a motor vehicle driver. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by I'll fine you $240. That's an alcohol-related offense on your driving record and 2 points. The only offer the city attorney is willing to do for that is open intox in a motor vehicle passenger. That's going to be the same $240 alcohol-related offense on your driving record and 2 points. So that's why your attorney just said set it for a trial date. You want that trial date, sir?
Yeah, I guess so.
May 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir.
2022.
All right, if there's nothing further, come on back. We'll get some resolution on that date, all right?
All right. Thank you.
Great day. Yep. All right. Now let's go back to Jayla Cruz.
Hey, Your Honor, I'm sorry, I just had a question.
Ok, volvamos entonces al caso de Yaelis Cruz.
What's your question, ma'am?
¿Cuál es su pregunta, señora?
Do I come back? Do you want me to come back virtual on here?
Yes.
Or?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
I have a question too. I'm sorry, I got a question.
Go ahead.
Do I come back on virtually?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You do the same.
All right.
Honor, my pleasure for Miss Salazar would be for a waiver trial date, please and thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Salazar, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you two, trial date, May 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
Here with you?
Here with me.
Okay. Thank you,
Have a
Your
great-
Honor.
Have a great day.
You too. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, Your Honor. What time again? 8:30?
9 a.m.
9 a.m.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You have a great day, ma'am.
Take care.
You too. I'm gonna put Mr. Pinnock out the room before he says something.
No, I'm sorry.
All right. Let's go back to Cruz, Jayla Cruz.
Volvamos al caso de la señora Cruz, Giles Cruz.
All right, Miss Cruz, I don't know. This is supposed to be one-time deal.
Señora Cruz, no entiendo. Se supone que esto es una oferta que se le hace solo una vez.
Sí, lo entiendo. Es que de verdad, primero el carro no era mío, mi esposo lo compró para revenderlo. Y por una emergencia.
I understand, but you know, the car was not mine. My husband bought it to resell it.
Y tuve una emergencia para salir a buscar a mi hijo, entonces no tuve más opción que utilizar el carro.
I had an emergency. I have to go and pick up my son at the school, and I have no more option than to take the car.
Give me one moment.
Deme un momento.
Okay. I have a total of let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Giles Cruz Almestia. This case numbers SP1208687 and I have SP119537991 and SP1312769 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, vamos entonces a sacar aquí, déjeme llamar primero el caso. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Yaelis Cruz Almestía, número de caso SP120-86872, SP131-27691 y 692 y SP119-3791. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Yaelis.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Cruz. State your full name, Ms. Cruz.
Edward Berry S. Berry Jr. representando a la señora Cruz. Señora Cruz, por favor, diga su nombre.
Yaelis Cruz Alméstica.
Yaelis Cruz Alméstica.
Okay. I do see you completed, did she complete the 12 hours of community service or only the 6 hours of community service?
Ok, veo, ella cumplió 6 horas, pero ¿cumplió 6 horas o las 12 de servicio comunitario?
Complete.
She completed 6 hours.
Sí, completó 6 horas.
All right, come back on May the 11th and include another 12 hours of community service in that, and we'll dispose of the cases then.
Ok, señora, entonces tiene que venir el 11 de mayo otra vez, pero entonces le vamos a sumar 12 horas más de servicio comunitario. Tiene que haberlas hecho todas para de aquí al mayo 11 y entonces le vamos a quitar todos los cargos.
Ok, ¿a qué hora tendría que empezar?
Ok, at what time should I be back?
At 8:30.
A las 8:30, señora.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
All right, have a great day.
Ok, que tenga buen día. Ya se puede desconectar, señora Cruz.
Gracias, igual.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honor.
All right. Who do we have? Who else do we have? We have wrong person ticket. What's your name, sir? Wrong person ticket.
Yes, to unmute yourself.
You have to unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor. I got 2 tickets here. One says no driver's license suspended, and the other one says no insurance.
And what's the ticket name on the ticket?
Well, it says my name, Sergio Antonio Furman.
What's your name? What's your name?
Sergio Antonio Furman.
Spell the last name for me, please.
Ferman.
Is it a hyphenated last name?
He's at 830 above, just below Escalona.
Okay.
2 counts. License and insurance. I mean, license and driving while license suspended. I mean, excuse me, insurance and driving while license.
I got you. This is the City of Detroit versus Sergio Antonio Furman. Case number SP1257769, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Sergio Antonio Furman.
Thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
All right. He must want a trial date, Mr. Baughman.
No,
at least let me have a chance to speak to him. It won't take long.
Will. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. I got my driver's license. Look.
All right. Let me see, Mr.
Mr.
Ratliff. Mr. Ratliff, can you run Sergio Antonio Furman's driver's license, please?
Can I say something, Your Honor?
I would like you to go through your attorney, but if you insist, go ahead and talk.
Okay.
Before you do that, you sure you don't want? I mean, I don't want you to talk about the facts of the case unless you want to show us first driver's license and insurance certificate.
It's not me, Your Honor. I wasn't driving this car. The car is under my name, but I saw the car, and I got the name of the person that the officer pulled over, and then I got his phone number. I just speak to the guy that got pulled over. I got the phone number and his name, and the
Mr.
officer.
Furman, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Furman, you insist on not listening, don't you, sir?
No, I'll listen to you, Your Honor.
You don't. You don't. So what you just told me, right? Let's go through this. You sold a car to somebody. And I'm gonna guess because your name is on the ticket. I don't know, but I'm gonna guess that when you sold this car to somebody, you didn't go to the Secretary of State with that person and watch them transfer that name, that title into that other person's name, did you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So now this other person's driving a car that you possibly didn't have insurance on, and this other person got pulled over. And I'm just guessing, Mr. Baughman. I don't know that these are the facts of the cases. He hasn't admitted to anything, but I'm just guessing that person got pulled over, and they gave you a ticket for no insurance on a car that's in your name that you potentially didn't have insurance on. Do you still want to keep talking, Mr. Furman? Huh?
I'll listen, Your Honor.
Mr. Furman, let me ask you a simple question. Do you have a vehicle now, sir?
I got a vehicle now.
Let me ask you this. Do you have insurance on that vehicle?
On this time, I had insurance on the vehicles.
All right.
But I'm not driving right now.
Hold on a second. I asked you just a couple questions. Slow down. You have a vehicle now, right?
Yes.
Do you have insurance on that vehicle now?
I don't have insurance on this vehicle now.
Okay.
Because it just got expired last month.
All right. Well, I was trying to help you out on that regard.
Your Honor, I think our pleasure at this point would be to.
Got a valid driver's license.
Sure. So he's got half of the equation. Would you go on waive a formal reading and stand mute for the arraignment? We're asked for a pretrial, Your Honor, and the defendant would thereby be able to come back, take the money out of his pocket, and purchase a valid insurance policy, bring back proof of that. And should be good to go.
You want to do that, sir?
Your Honor, why am I supposed to be have insurance if the thing is that the officer got my registration, he put the other person,
Talk to him in a breakout room.
I need to speak to you, Mr. Furman. I'll just explain.
I know you're getting frustrated, sir,
right.
But you're gonna get a little bit of lesson you're gonna get a little bit of lesson in the law.
I understand, Your Honor.
So I asked you to speak to the attorney in the beginning, so you can talk to him and have a conversation, and he can educate you on this.
Can I do that, please?
Huh?
Can I do that? Can I speak to the attorney, please?
I'm gonna let you do that.
I'm a little confused, Your Honor. That's why.
I know. That's why I'm giving you. That's why I told you in the beginning. Speak with the lawyer. He's gonna get you fully understanding. If you listen to him, you got to listen to him. He's gonna get you a fully understanding of what's going on. I think he can do that. All right.
All right. Thank you. Your
All
Honor.
right. Join the room, sir. All right. Let's move on to Marco Gonzalez Ramirez.
Ok, vayamos con el caso del señor Marco González Ramírez.
Aquí estoy presente.
Ok, abra su para verlo, por favor. Su video.
Le sigo apretando aquí. ¿Así?
Bueno, solo sale su nombre. He's trying to get the video. Antes estaba ahí.
I'm not finding him.
Yo no lo encuentro aquí.
Me cambiaron mi corte a este día. Era el día 5 del 7 del 22 a la 1 p.m. y hoy me la cambiaron al 4 del 20 a las 8:30 a.m.
I had another date for May, and they sent me a notification and changed it for today at 8:30.
What's the ticket number?
¿Cuál es el número de su ticket, señor?
SP1244271. El segundo es SP1244276.
762, ajá. ¿Esos son todos?
Sí.
Ok. SP12442-761, count 1 and 2.
All right. You getting good at that too, right, Ms. Hernandez?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Let's see.
Your Honor, I just need to recess for about 6 minutes at 11:30.
All right, we're almost, hopefully, I don't know if we can get it done by then, but we're very near the end.
We'll try. Thanks.
We'll try. And I would help if I.
No se mira la cámara. Le sigo pintando y nomás como que me la quite y me la vuelve a poner.
Señor, donde dice que vea su pantalla, ahí le da para ver que diga video.
All right, this is the city.
Okay. Dice allí, ¿está bien?
No,
this
señor,
is the
no
city
lo
of.
veo.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marco Gonzalez Ramirez, case number SP1244276, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Marco González Ramírez, casos números SP124-42761, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Marco Antonio González Ramírez.
Marco Antonio González Ramírez.
Osterman Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Ramirez.
Mi nombre es Edwood Berry Jr., representando al señor Ramírez.
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Señor, ¿usted tiene en este momento una licencia de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have insurance on this vehicle, sir?
¿Y tiene seguro vehicular en su carro?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, run his driver's license, Mrs. Gonzalez Ramirez. If you look up the case number, Mr. Radliff, is SP 124-42761. I don't think he's on the docket today.
Por favor, señor, él nombró a una persona y le dijo que por favor buscara su licencia de conducir para verificarla y le dio el número de caso 1-124-42761 y que piensa que usted no está en el docket de hoy, en la lista de causas para hoy, por eso no lo conseguíamos. Ya, solamente estoy interpretando lo que el juez le estaba diciendo a la otra persona. I was just interpreting what the judge was telling the other person.
Okay. Mr. Hold on, I'm just going to go off the record momentarily. Mr. Paul Tauriquez.
Yes.
Do you have, good morning, sir. Do you have plates and insurance?
Yes.
All right. Can you show proof of that as well?
I got this one.
All right, let me see what you got.
I'll show you the and then that's from last year.
I need this year's copy.
I got it right here. I got
this one. No, I need this year's copy insurance. Is that this year?
Yes.
All right, what's the expiration date on that?
Expiration date is right here. You see it?
Tell it to me.
It's the 10.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Paul Tauriquez, case number SP 1267381 and SP 126752221. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Tauriquez.
All right, sir, I'm going to dismiss the tickets. You provided valid documentation. If it's nothing further, you have a great day, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Can you give me one of those case numbers again?
That SP 124. Oh, you're talking about for Mr. Tauriquez?
Yes.
Oh, that'd be SP 1267381. And I can give you another one too. SP 126752221.
Both matters being dismissed.
Provided valid documentation, yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. Almost there. We got one minute. Who is Gonzalez Ramirez? You sent me the license to that.
Mandaron la licencia del señor González Ramírez.
He was the one that's not on the docket.
Yes. Did you give me the license to that one, Mr. Radliff?
Yeah, sent you SOS on it.
You did? Okay. Thank you. He's got a valid license.
¿Él tiene una licencia válida?
Gonzalez Ramirez has a valid license. Does he have valid insurance?
El señor Ramírez tiene una licencia válida, también tiene aseguranza, seguro vehicular válido.
Sí.
Sí.
Can you show me proof of that insurance, sir?
¿Me puede mostrar prueba de ese seguro, señor?
Sí, pero el video no está funcionando, no sé por qué.
Yeah, but the video is not working. I don't know why.
All right, I'm gonna have you come back next week then. And,
Bueno, entonces le voy a tener que pedir que regrese la semana que viene.
¿Me puede permitir en lo que me meto en otro teléfono?
Bueno,
¿2
vaya.
segundos?
try to get connected in another phone?
Just tell me the expiration date on that.
Señor,
Insurance.
dígame cuál es la fecha de expiración del seguro que usted tiene.
Junio 19, 2022.
June 19, 2022.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the tickets. You provided valid documentation, sir. Have a great day.
Okay, señor, entonces yo le voy a desestimar los dos tickets porque usted nos dio documentación apropiada. Está listo su caso. Están desestimados los dos casos. Se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, 1 sec. You got 1 more minute, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yep.
Mr. Furman,
Yes,
did you
yes,
get
Your
an
Honor.
understanding of what's going on, sir?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Now, I just wanted to make that clear. What I'm going to do for you, sir, get that insurance. I'm going to trust you get that insurance on your own, put that insurance on your vehicle. I'm going to dismiss both of the cases for providing valid documentation. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Listen, one thing. Always don't talk. You just might walk. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye. All right. I think that will do it.
Yes, it looks like.
Yes.
Thank you so much, everyone. Ms. Williams-Law, I appreciate you waiting that extra couple of seconds. Have a great day.
No problem, Your Honor. You guys have a good one.
Bye, Ms.
All
Law.
right.
Bye.
Bye. Nice to see
All
you
right,
all.
everyone. Mr. Barry, let me start with Ms. Hernandez and Ms. Buenteo. Ladies, always first, and excellence is always appreciated.
Thank you.
I thank you. And everybody in this room is just excellent. I appreciate it. Mr. Boffman, Mr. Phillips, Mr. Barry. Everybody have a great rest of the day, all right?
You too.
You too.